Hello everyone. Having stealthy drones that can launch from aircraft carriers and scout or attack enemy ground or air units is a big deal. The Northrop Grumman X-47B is a demonstration unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, designed for aircraft carrier-based operations. Developed by the American defense technology company Northrop Grumman, the X-47 project began as part of DARPA's JUCAS program and subsequently became part of the United States Navy's Unmanned Combat Air System Demonstration, UCASD program. The X-47B is a tailless, jet-powered blended wing-body aircraft capable of semi-autonomous operation and aerial refueling. The X-47B flew for the first time in 2011 and has performed in the following years, several operational tests completed in 2015. The X-47B was used in the test cycles on board the USS aircraft carrier George H.W. Bush, CVN-77, and it performed takeoff, landing, air refueling duties. To optimize the onboard capability, the X-47B is equipped with folding wings in order to minimize the space on the overcrowded flight decks of the aircraft carriers. It is equipped with a Pratt & Whitney turbofan engine that guarantees subsonic performance, and in its two loading bays, it can provide an offensive load of over 2,000 kilograms. The project was initially funded under a $635.8 million contract awarded by the Navy in 2007. By January 2012, the X-47B's total program cost had grown to an estimated $813 million. Government funding for the X-47B UCASD program was to run out at the end of September 2013, with the close of the fiscal year. However, in June 2014, the Navy provided an additional $63 million for post-demonstration development of the X-47B. The Navy almost developed a stealthy, armed, carrier-launched attack drone to bring new range dimensions to maritime power protection. This drone would have conducted high-risk forward offensive missions against enemy air defenses, enemy surface ships, and even adversarial fighter aircraft. Thank you for watching.